Today's video is about the statute mile versus the nautical mile. Do you know the difference between the two and where and when to look for them? You're going to see this on your written test and possibly your practical exam. According to Wikipedia, the statute mile is 5,280 feet. Most of you probably heard of that distance if you live in the United States. If it's in meters, it's going to be 1,609 meters if you live abroad. Statute mile, also known as the land mile or the survey mile. This is the standard unit of measurement for distance in the United States and the United Kingdom. Then the nautical mile, that is a unit of measurement used to calculate distances by air, sea, and space. And it's also used to define territorial waters. 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.15 statute miles, making it just a little bit longer than your standard mile. 9 times out of 10, all throughout flight school, you're going to be referencing nautical miles. It's going to be very rare that you might hear something about statute miles unless you're referencing something over land. When you learn how to use the navigational plotter like this one, recognize that one side of the plotter is nautical miles and the other side is statute miles. Don't get the two mixed up because your distances and fuel burn rate will be miscalculated if you're using the wrong side. In this example, I'm using the nautical side of the plotter to calculate my distance between Houston, Texas and Hawthorne Field. I'll first use it as a ruler to draw a straight line between the 2 points. Then I'll put a 0 on Houston and read the ruler that shows the distance of 60 nautical miles. When you're using ForeFlight, you can punch in those same locations and draw a line and then use the digital ruler, and you'll see that it's also referencing nautical miles, and the distance between these 2 points is roughly 60 nautical miles. When I was in school, I remember taking the written test and I got a few questions that were similar to this. In the answer bank, make sure you're paying attention to statute miles versus nautical miles, because they want to make sure you know the difference between the two. If the question has to do with air, sea, or space, they're looking for an answer in nautical miles.